In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay Fortnite, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how to set up crossplay matches in Fortnite between PlayStation and Xbox. Now, of course, I am recording this video on my PC, however, everything that I say will apply for the console versions, so don't worry. I'm only recording on my PC for better quality. What you have to do is first go over to the settings, and in here you will be able to browse through various settings at the top. What you have to do is make sure that crossplay is enabled from the in-game settings. This will be done on the account and privacy category when you go over here to the social privacy. So in here there is going to be an option called allow cross-platform play. Now this option is not available for me because I am on PC and it is enabled by default. However, if you are on console, this is the very first thing that you have to do. So go to settings, account and privacy, social privacy, and enable crossplay from here. Once crossplay has been enabled, then all that you have to do now is add your cross-platform friends. So go over to the social tab one more time and you will be able to add them from this list. So in order to add your friends, you simply have to look for their names over here. So they will have a display name inside of the game that they can see above their characters, and they simply have to tell you that name. So search for their username, and once they appear over here on the results, you will be able to check which platform they are on, the region, and so on. So once you find your friend, you simply have to send them a friend request. So choose the option to add friend. The friend request will be sent, but of course these people will receive a bunch of friend requests. I'm only looking for random people to demonstrate this process, and once they accept, you will be able to invite them to the lobby. So they will appear over here if they are online or offline, and you will be able to send them an invite that they can accept inside of the game. Once both of you are inside of the lobby, just go ahead and start any mode available in the game. If you are on Xbox, it's also important to go over to the Xbox settings and enable cross-platform play from the privacy and multiplayer settings. This is something that should be done outside of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to cross-play Fortnite, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.